have we got here with Dr. Day?
Alright, so here we are in southern New South Wales and we're on the trail of some declining woodland birds. These are small insect-eating birds that do their feeding on the ground, but we're not having much luck. The habitat's good, but there's very few of them around. But if you go further north and then head west, you get to one of the most intact woodlands in the Murray-Darling Basin, out here, out back of Burke. And in these woodlands, our woodland birds are thriving. And right there is one of the most elusive woodland birds of all, the crested bellbird. Oh, and he's giving us a great look at him. So scientists have worked out there's actually 26 different kinds of birds that have undergone massive declines, especially in the southern parts of their range. This group is known as declining woodland birds. Many of them feed on insects, and most of them feed on the ground. They rely on deep litter, fallen branches and shrubs, not just to find food, but to shelter from enemies and to raise their families. Here's a hooded robin. Unlike most robins, it's not very colourful, just black and white. The female's grey, one of the largest robins, and as you can see, spends most of its time on the ground. And here's a red-capped robin, one of my favourites. The male, as you can see here, has a bright red splash of colour on top of his head. Female's grey, but still has a bit of a blush on her forehead. Found right throughout the Murray-Darling Basin.